What's new for the Keystone Cougar? Well, they are celebrating their 25th year as one of America's favorite brands of fifth wheel and travel trailer. In fact, they've been so popular, they've been the #1 brand for over a decade. The variety of floor plans is a ton or half ton for some, and we'll take you through a few choice ones here in just a minute. But for now, let's look at the features making the Cougar what it is: fabulous. Stepping inside any Keystone Cougar, be it a lightweight travel trailer or a full-size fifth wheel, you're going to get the wow effect via the interior's bright, clean design. The design kind of makes you gravitate towards the kitchen, so let's begin our Cougar journey right there. First off, look at these cabinets. Residential, raised panel hardwood cabinet doors and drawers with residential hardware and hidden hinges on those said cabinet doors. And the sink? A stainless steel undermount kitchen sink with a high-rise chef's faucet and sprayer. The sink works seamlessly with the solid surface countertops. As for the kitchen appliances, every Cougar has a large microwave, with the full-size fifth wheels having a 2.1 cubic footer and the half-ton fifth wheels and the travel trailers having a pretty awesome single cubic footer. The range is impressive and puts you right at home. It's a 21-inch Furion range with the piezo ignition and a glass stovetop cover to go along with it. Now, as far as the fridge, every Cougar has a nice one with options. The half-ton fifth wheels and the travel trailers have a 10.4 cubic foot Norcold 12-volt fridge standard. And the full-size fifth wheels have a 16 cubic foot 12-volt fridge with hardwood raised panel inserts. Looking down, you'll see easy-to-maintain flooring with the half-ton fifth wheels and travel trailers having the HyperDeck flooring. Within the flooring are in-floor heating ducts to keep your body toasty on those cool, crisp mornings. Now, they work in tandem with the impressive 30,000 BTU ducted furnace. Gotta tell you, that's pretty toasty. Even better, every Cougar fifth wheel and a lot of the Cougar travel trailers come with a 5,500 BTU electric fireplace with thermostat control and remote. Comfy and cozy, right? Well, this continues in the opposite direction, i.e. the cool side. You're going to get a 15,000 BTU ducted, ultra-quiet Coleman Mach Q-Series AC, with some Cougars have an additional 13.5 AC in the bedroom and others pre-wired for a bedroom AC. Checking things off, let's see, kitchen, heat, cool, living area. Living area, let's do that. Now, the key to any living area is lounging ability. Cougars have super comfy furniture, with most having a trifold sofa that can be switched out for theater seats in the half-ton, fifth wheels, and travel trailers. The full-size fifth wheels will have both the sofa and the seats in their tall slide-outs. All fifth-wheel Cougars, FYI, have the tall slide-outs. No knocking of your noggins in those bad boys. Get your ambiance via night roller shades all over the place to make it nice and dark for great nighttime ambience and even better for sleeping. There's also a slim shade pull down at the main entry that'll keep the inside darker. It also works to keep it cooler as well. Lounging, gotta include entertainment there. Every Cougar comes with an LED HD TV in the living area with a 12-volt AM, FM, CD, DVD, MP3, Bluetooth player. It's a lot of letters with HDMI ARC control. To get reception, there's the Keystone exclusive KeyTV multi-source signal controller. I know what you're saying. You want more entertainment? Sure. There are USB outlets all over the place. Plug and play, so to speak. Now, let's head on down to the bedroom. The bed is a queen bed with residential Platinum Series queen mattress and underbed storage for the fifth wheels, with a king bed option on most full-size fifth wheels. The travel trailers, they go king. A king bed with a residential Platinum Series king mattress and underbed storage. Nice little touch for travel trailers. Speaking of storage, every Cougar has got a lot of it in the bedroom. You'll get wardrobe closets with a full wardrobe, complete with mirrored sliding doors in select models. Full-size fifth wheels now have a front closet in the bed slides that includes stackable washer-dryer prep. And the bed slides, well, they're now deeper to give you more room. The bedroom also includes dual CPAP shelves and hidden underbed storage, as well as LED reading lights. Plus, they have a residential rear overheads with large opening windows, and select models come with washer-dryer prep. Now on to the Cougar Loo, aka the bathroom. Cougar Loo is a pretty cool name if you think about it. And the bathroom, pretty cool as well. You're going to get seamless pressed countertops with a large sink, porcelain foot flush toilet, medicine cabinet, towel rack, and best of all, a large shower with a glass door and a skylight. Plus, get this, the amazing convenience of the Girard on-demand tankless water heater, which effectively means no more waiting for that hot water. You want control? Who doesn't? Everything, the lights, the slide outs, tank monitoring, and more is easy with the in-command Generation 3 Control Center with Global Connect. Global actually makes me think outside. So what do you say it's time we check out the Cougar exterior? As we exit, you're going to note the steps. These are LCI solid steps. They're lightweight, durable, and easy to handle. Plus, if your chosen Cougar has an additional entry, that entry will also have LCI solid steps. Let's move to the front exterior. Imagine we're at both the travel trailer and the fifth wheel for me, if you can. The Cougar travel trailer will have a power tongue jack with the majority having electric stab jacks as well. All fifth wheels and select travel trailers will have an electric 4-point auto leveling system. The fifth wheels come with max turn technology with a Road Armor shock absorbing hitch pin, as well as hitch vision so you can see where your hitch is when you back up. And let me tell you, if you've ever bumped your truck, you know how awesome that is. They also come with Road Armor shock absorbing equalizers. Now, moving on, we come to the full pass-through storage with slam latch baggage doors, which every Cougar has. And the fifth wheels have durable rubber flooring in the pass-through. Looking down, you won't see the one-piece heated and enclosed polypropylene underbelly, but it's there and it helps keeps cool or heat in, as well as keeps critters from gaining access in. Also there, how about a freshwater tank? You get an industry-best freshwater tank capacity with 55 gallons for the half-ton fifth wheels and travel trailers and 76 gallons for the full-size fifth wheels. Looking up, there's the electric awning with gas strut arm, plus some models come with a second awning. Plenty of room to stay protected from the elements and watch TV. TV? Outside? Well, yeah, it's a Cougar. Every Cougar is prepped for exterior TV hookup. As far as reception, the Key TV dealio is right there in the aptly named Convenience Center, where you'll also find the water hookups, outside shower, and battery disconnect. You get a little dazzle on a Cougar exterior as well with those gorgeous aluminum wheels. Bing! Look at them shine. Those right there are solid E-rated Goodyear tires too, with TPMS prep. That's tire pressure monitoring system, FYI. Now, as far as a spare, all fifth wheels and select travel trailers come with a full-size spare. What else is on a Cougar exterior? Let me see. A roof ladder, nice. Rear observation prep, convenient. And a capital outside griddle on select floor plans to make your campground neighbors jealous that you have bacon. Let's see. Oh dang, almost forgot about power. Yeah, every Cougar comes with the Keystone exclusive Solar Flex 200 with an option to upgrade to 400i and even 600iL for the Cougar fifth wheels. Some also come with this amazing new feature, a pair of long-lasting 100 amp hour Dragonfly lithium batteries. And for some, it will be a very worthwhile option. What about four-season camping? Well, let me tell you, Cougars have the Climate Guard protection package. That includes a heat-deflecting white sidewall, radiant foil barriers in the front cap, remote temperature probes, double insulated rear wall, insulated slide floors, heated pass-through storage in the fifth wheels, 12-volt heating pads on all holding tanks, and everything you need to be comfortable. Nice features, right? But you might be asking, how well are the Keystone Cougars built? Simply put, they're built to last. Skeletally speaking, every Cougar comes with a structural I-beam frame with stamped steel cross members and outriggers, and a 5-sided aluminum superstructure. For the skin, you'll get laminated sidewalls, and on top, Alpha Superflex roof membrane. You'll also get nifty features such as heavy-duty axles with never-adjust brakes and color-coded unified wiring. This is going to help a ton if you need any basic electrical maintenance. Comes in really handy. And Keystone thinks about that. Long-lasting also includes those tough-lock thermoplastic duct joiners. Those are awesome. They really give you more support underneath for your ducting. You're also going to get True Fit slide construction, providing a solid seal to keep water out of there as well. Let's run through some Cougar floor plans by type first. First up, the Cougar half-ton travel trailers. Now, these dry weight, they run from about 5,600 to over 8,700 pounds. Length, you're talking anywhere from 26 to nearly 38 feet. Let's highlight a few Cougar travel trailer floor plans that I love. The 25 RDS is up first. Very comfy U-shaped dinette against the back wall. Large living area slide out, fireplace, and a walk-through bathroom. You'll find a king bed up front as well as a private entrance from the exterior. The 25 RDS can sleep up to 6. The 26 RBS is perfect for the camping couple, but it can even sleep 5. You'll get a roomy bathroom with neo-angled shower, ample closet space including a pantry, a large living area slide out, and a bedroom with a king bed plus private entry from the exterior. The 30 RKD is perfect for those who love to cook and entertain. You'll find a massive kitchen area with tons of counter space, a full-length pantry, hidden storage, and 2 slide-outs. One for the living area and another one to pull out the king bed. Speaking of the bed, the bedroom has tons of closet space. You'll also get an exterior grill. The 30 RKD can sleep up to 5. Now I want to extend our half-ton fun and move up to the Cougar half-ton fifth wheels. Now these beauties are going to run from 7,200 to over 9,000 pounds in unloaded weight, from 27 to 36 feet in length. Now, some of my favorite floor plans there. Got to start off with the 24 RDS. This one is great for lounging. For comfortable TV watching, you get a large U-shaped dinette and a tri-fold sleeper sofa sharing a slide out with the fridge and pantry. The master bedroom also has a slide, a wardrobe slide out, creating more room for the walk-around queen bed, which is extremely comfortable. And the 24 RDS overall can sleep up to 6. The 29 RLI has a beautiful wide open living area courtesy of a pair of massive opposing slide-outs. A tri-fold sleeper sofa commands the back wall, and the kitchen island is a functional highlight. The 29 RLI can have 5 sleepers. The 32 BHS is a bunkhouse delight. A private bunk room sits in the rear alongside a full bath with an entry directly from the exterior. The middle boasts a large slide-out and a kidney-shaped kitchen. Up front, the master bedroom has its own private half bath. The 32 BHS can sleep up to an impressive 9. Oh, and you'll also get an impressive outdoor kitchen with a capital grill. The Big Daddies are naturally the full-size premium Cougar fifth wheels. For these, you'll need a bigger truck, as most will be over 11,000 pounds in dry weight and slightly over 39 feet in length. Some of the most favorite full-size Cougar fifth wheel floor plans? Well, there's the 316 RLS. This Cougar has opposing slide-outs, making for an impressive living area as well as room for a large kitchen island. The kitchen also has a full-length pantry and hutch. One of the most enjoyable parts of the 316 RLS is its roomy master bedroom with its bed and a slide, full-height wardrobe closet, and washer-dryer prep. The 316 RLS can sleep up to 5. The 320 RDS has a unique rear den with a tri-fold king sofa theater combo, creating a sectional couch for ultimate lounging. Look at that massive slide out. The model's midsection has an impressive kitchen with bar stool seating, tons of counter space, and a pantry linen closet combo. Up front, the master bedroom has a lot of storage with a full-height wardrobe closet, wardrobe with washer-dryer prep, underbed storage, and a dresser. Sleeping accommodations are all set for 4. For those who love a fifth wheel bunkhouse, the 364 BHL is a dream. In the rear, you'll find a double loft over a double bed and a half bath that creates the bunk room. The half bath also has direct access from the exterior. The living area has opposing slide-outs plus a massive kitchen island. Now the master bedroom, this one is a beaut, with a wardrobe slide, large bathroom with radius shower, and a nifty sliding door. The 364 BHL also has a nice outdoor kitchen, and the 364 BHL can sleep up to 9. So was that a lot? Okay, don't answer. I know it was, but when you're talking Keystone Cougar, there's a lot of good to say. If you want to take a closer look, which hopefully you do, find the best selection of Cougars near you. Just get those fingers moving and type campingworld.com.